In this video, you'll learn how to download and install the Binance app on your PC. By the end of this guide, you will have the application ready for use on your desktop, allowing you to trade and manage your cryptocurrencies easily. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Binance website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the download section, which is typically located in the top menu or on the homepage. This section will provide options for different platforms. After navigating to the download section, identify the option for the desktop version. You will see choices for different operating systems. Select the one that matches your PC, either Windows or Mac. This selection is crucial to ensure compatibility with your system. Next, click on the download button for your chosen operating system. Your browser will prompt you to save the installer file. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the file later, such as your desktop or downloads folder. Once you select the location, the download will begin, and you may see a progress bar indicating the download status. Wait until the download completes before proceeding to the next step. Once the installer file is downloaded, locate it on your computer and double-click to open it. This action will initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might need to agree to the terms and conditions before continuing. The installation may take a few moments, and you may see a progress bar indicating the completion status. After the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. After the installation finishes, you can launch the Binance desktop app. Look for the Binance icon on your desktop or in your start menu. Double-click the icon to open the application. When prompted, log in with your Binance account credentials to access your trading dashboard. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this process, as it may affect the app's performance. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.